Welcome back. I'm Jared with RuggedMade.
Hey everybody, I'm Jake from Dude Ranch DIY.
So Jake's up here visiting us at RuggedMade, and we're going to be checking out some splitters and getting all kinds of pro tips from Jake.
Yeah, we're going to be spending some time up here making some videos covering everything from stacking firewood, comparing the fleet of RuggedMade log splitters, and even doing a little comparison on the different wedge styles that RuggedMade offers.
We're really excited to have Jake as a RuggedMade ambassador, and in honor of his visit, we're going to be giving away one of these 6-way slip-on blades, which is one of our most popular splitting accessories.
Yeah, so to be eligible for this contest, you must be subscribed to both my channel, Dude Ranch DIY, and the RuggedMade YouTube channel.
And be sure to leave a comment in this video with the keyword RuggedMade in all caps.
So be sure to check back in the upcoming weeks to find some new videos documenting my visit up here with the RuggedMade guys.
And we're going to be announcing the winner on October 12th. So let's head to the farm and get started.
All right, sounds great.